In front of me is Nothing Phone 4a, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Password Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now select Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Finally, to edit any password, tap on it and enter your screen lock to confirm it's you. Then hit Edit button. Change whatever you wish to, and when you're ready, tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!